Welcome back, guys. Back at Stevie's workshop. Today I'm basically trying to sort my interior out, but then all of a sudden I see Stevie here sorting out this looting van. Today he's not working on no American cars or Japanese cars. He decided to work on a van. What's the plan of this? What's the plan of this?
Oh, what's your head room?
What are you doing with this?
So basically, the shutter's falling apart. We've got new rollers and stuff. I've got a feeling I gotta take the whole thing off.
So today he's doing this.
Getting baked.
Yeah, it's quite hot in here as well.
Getting baked.
Today's weather.
You
UK's weather today is absolutely gorgeous. But look at it, the sun's shining. We don't get that.
Actually, view. Look how bright the car is.
The camera is killing my camera. I can't see it. Yeah, I can't see it. Car's parked here still. The plan is I'm basically waiting for livery date. The car's gonna go for livery on the 28th this month, so it's gonna be here for a while. Steve's not happy about that, but it is what it is. Steve don't mind. Steve don't mind. What did he say? He's a cool dude like that. You can park a car here, leave it here, and he'll just like take care of it. Ain't that right, Stevie?
What am I doing?
Taking care of my car. So I'm leaving it here until the 28th.
Yeah, it's like special storage, right?
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Nah, there's no storage, right? He's still got a few things to do, but not right now. I'm gonna help him do this, and after that, crack on with my car. So stay tuned. We pretty much took it all out. It's all here. Basically, took it out, put it back in individually. So now we're gonna basically pick it up all of them.
We're not videoing that part.
Why?
That's just gonna be
We're gonna video it, guys. We're gonna video it definitely. And then we're gonna put it in, and then that's really done for the day. Right, we're pretty much done.
We're not done.
We're pretty much done. That's the van there. The shutter's there. We had one hell of a time.
Load the spring now.
Load the spring now.
Yeah, the spring. The
Yeah,
spring.
that's light work though, huh?
Is it?
It's light work.
None of that was light work. Look at me.
You're sweating, I'm sweating.
It's
Hands
30.
ruined because the
sec.
thing's so dirty and greasy.
Hold on. It's 30 degrees, man, yeah.
30 degrees.
Inside that Luton is probably 35, nearly 40
Yeah,
degrees.
I bet and obviously the Luton has, that attracts heat. So we were in there for like nearly quite a long time in there, and
About 20 minutes.
about 20 minutes, and we were just basically hot, unbothered, and Steve was just getting stressed out and yelling and shit, and I was just there calm.
You weren't doing nothing.
What?
I was
You just
calm.
hold it up. Oh, my arms are burning.
Nah.
My arms are burning.
Nah, that's lies. I was helping him a lot. I literally carried all the way. The thing hit my head as well.
Yeah, it hit his head.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
so I was doing a lot of shit in there. But yeah, it's coming to the end now. and that's pretty much done. And then I'm gonna crack on my car, and Stevie's gonna crack on what we're gonna be doing.
Carry on flat and polishing his Porsche.
So I'm gonna be doing the Porsche, and then yeah, so stay tuned.
So Meunier is let's walk. Meunier is deciding to change his door cards on the race car. Listen to the triple clutch. Oh, oh, oh. Sauce. Oh, the sauce. Oh my god, it's Mr. Meunier! That famous YouTuber! Yeah, it's recorded. 41 seconds I've done so far. Oh, he turned it off. How boring.
Huh? What did you say?
So he turned it off. I said, how boring. And then you get blinded by the lights.
So basically now we've done the van. I want to change my door cards on my Mark II. This car was originally NA from factory, and I started buying the Tourer V trims here and there, and I decided to buy the door cards, and they were very, very hard to find. Luckily, big shout out to Ollie. He basically breaking his Mark II, which is a sad thing, but he had the door cards that I needed because I already have the S1 receipts, and he had the S1 door cards, which is gonna match more with my receipts. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm getting little clips here and there, and then so it will look nice, you know what I mean? It ain't gonna look like a granddad's car, like all cream trimmed and that. So
It's like Camry.
no, it's not Toyota Camry. You
Like
stop
Camry.
saying that. You need to stop saying that. It's not Toyota Camry. It's a
looks
it's
like
a
a Toyota
JZX100 Mark II. It's a beautiful whip. It's better than any American cars. So yeah.
Better than any American car.
Oh, well, no, not every American cars, but better than his.
Can we just pan around to what is there?
Huh?
What?
What was that?
Oh shit, is that an Eleanor Mustang just chilling? Oh.
Which one? Oh, that.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
They're all slow. They're not as fast as my Mark II.
No.
Boom! Headshot!
Okay.
Are they fast as my Mark II?
No one cares.
Mark II's
No one
Mustang's supposed to be fast, right?
Mustang is not fast.
No, it is supposed to be as
Mustang,
fast.
this car
American
is
muscle
40
car.
years older than yours.
Listen.
Like I said, let's
So
see where
we
your
always
J-
go back to like.
let's see where your JZX Mark II is in 60. When it's the same age as that 57 Chevy up there,
Yeah.
let's see how much is left of your JZX
There's
Mark
gonna be a
II.
lot left.
Because
It's gonna be still the way it looks.
it's gonna be tap 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 in on them walls.
No.
Look how spicy it looks like.
And
It
there,
looks like something out of Hot Wheels.
that's what someone said.
Genuinely does look like a Hot Wheels car.
That's what someone said. It's a Hot Wheels car. I said, yeah. I said, you know, he said, you need to grow up. That's a Hot Wheels car.
What was it?
I said to him, people collect Hot Wheels cars. And that's a 4-year-old like
Yeah,
Stevie.
I actually, I'm not 40 for starters. You know, I look at it.
Stevie
but
collects Hot Wheels cars, and he's a 4-year-old man.
I'm not 40-year-old man. How am I a 40-year-old man?
Give the camera. Give
Don't even try and bait me out like that. I'm not 40 years old.
4-year-old man collecting Hot Wheels. Oh, look at his collection. Show me your collection.
No, it's not even that good, that collection. That's just the workshop shit that you buy from Costco.
Yeah. Where he collects cars and
Yeah.
yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna basically do my door cards. I've done one so far. As you can see, it looks so much better than before. And this is the old one. And this is the new one. But issue is I'm having, yeah, this is brown. So I might have to give a little paint on this. I have to give a little paint and then go from there, let it dry up and then put it back in like that. So I'm gonna paint this black and then go from there. But other than that, it's a big difference because it really goes with my seat as well. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna continue doing this. So yeah, pretty much done here with the door cards. They're all fitted, even the rear ones. Oh my goodness. The rear one's done. It looks way better now. Way better. Now go pack it up. Stevie had enough for today.
Short, man.
Too hot in it. Sun is shining. It's way too hot. Way too hot today. See you guys next time. Peace.